welcome back. I know it's been a long time. I've been working on different projects and came across one particular problem, and I was able to solve it by using the itertools library, and it's actually the run length encoding. So we can actually implement run length encoding by using the itertools library in just 2 lines. So in a nutshell, run length encoding means, let's say we have adjacent duplicate values and a is repeating here 3 times, and adjacent values, not somewhere. A is repeating 3 times, B is just 1 time, and C is repeating 4 times. So we are actually taking the count of it and actually writing that instead of just writing as it is. So A is repeating 3 times, B just 1, and C is repeating 4 times. This is actually run length encoding means. You can read through this if you want, and we are actually trying to implement this by using the itertools library. So especially we are using the group by function. So group by function actually takes an iterable. So iterable could be anything we can loop through. So I'm actually using the list as my iterable, and let's quickly implement the list having some duplicate values. So let's say 2, 3, and then 4. That's enough. And then I'm going to import the itertools library, itertools, and then I'm looping through this. So let's say key and groups. Okay, it could be anything, but for example, I'm using key and groups in itertools. Group by is the function that we're using, and it expects an iterable. So I'm going to feed in our numbers list, and then print the key, and actually the groups returns, we're actually making it as a list, and we are actually taking the count of the list. So I'm actually converting the number of repetition into a string so that I can combine it with other strings. So length of the list, actually the length of the list of the group that we have converted, and then we are saying n times repeating. Okay, and then what did I miss? Okay, missed the bracket. N times group. Okay, I meant groups. Yes. There we go. So 1 is repeating just 1 time, and 2 is repeating 3 times, 3 and 2 times, 4 just 1 time. That's basically how the run like the encoding works. Not exactly just showing. You can convert this output in whatever way you want. That's up to you to convert it and display it in your own style, but this is basically run length encoding, I guess. It's really useful if you learn through the group by function. It can do many things. So itertools is very useful, and that's it. I hope you guys learned something. That's for it for this video, and thank you all for watching. Have a good day.